587 is with you on the visual for 17 left, and we have the heavy in front of us.
Chest 587 Tower, good day. Wind 130 at 10, altimeter 29 or 6 niner. You're 7 miles behind 747. Caution turbulence. Clear to land on my 17 left.
Clear to land 17 left, and check the terminal shows 587. Clearance, read back correct, good as Charlie.
Star 8090 Tower, line up, threshold only 17 left.
Line up threshold 17 left, morning star 8090.
Tower, contact 1198 airborne, wind 13010, clear takeoff on me 17 left.
Okay, we check 1980 in the air, clear takeoff 17 left, morning star 8090. Have a good day.
Question 2279 Tower, wind 13010, clear to land on me 17 left.
Clear to land 17 left, thank you, Western 279.
KLM 678 Heavy Tower, contact departure 1198 airborne, wind 11010, clear takeoff on me 17 left.
Clear takeoff 17 left, now we'll frequency 119, 119 KLM 678 Heavy, bye. at 4200 visual, 17 left, Dreamliner.
Ship 1400, thanks for that. Excuse me, 4200, thanks for that. Caution, wake turbos in trail. The wind is 120 at 11. Clear to land, runway 17 left.
Clear to land, 17 left, Russia 42.
Canada 321, heavy exit at Delta 5, contact ground there, 12535.
Delta 5, 35, 35, Gravity, Air Canada 321, Delta 5 for gate 36.
Canada 321, heavy ground taxi, second right on the Bravo, just hold short, Juliet.
Okay, second right, Bravo, short to Juliet, Air Canada 321.
Thanks, did you know which figure is?
Air Canada 321.
5-6.
5-6.
Signal 321, can see then Bravo, Echo, the apron, this frequency is good at the gate, all maneuvering at your discretion.
Bravo, Echo to the apron, with you all the way, Air Canada 321.
Apex Roll is just 436, ready for the push speed 52.
Just 436, push and start at your discretion.
That's 436.
Delta 3, contact ground 12535.
Delta 3 and 2535, mission 42.
For you, on departure flight 075, the balance unchanged for Mike Fox Hotel.
075 departure, Delta 3.
That was 5469, exit Delta 3, contact ground on 12535.
On the ground, go ahead, 5.
Mike Fox Hotel, flight 075, report to turn on this frequency, wind is 120 at 10. From Zulu, clear for takeoff, runway 17 left.
075 departure, we'll call through with you, clear takeoff, what's the month? Mike Fox Hotel.
Confirm, Encore 3292 tower, at Zulu, line up and wait, runway 17 left.
Line up and wait, 17 left, that's Zulu, Encore 2292.